Good morning students. Today we will learn the first part of the questions and it has been written by Anupa Lal. So in this part we will discuss about the introduction of the lesson. So here in this story two main characters are there. One is Akbar and one is Birbal. So who is Akbar? Akbar is the king of Mughal emperor. He is one of the Mughal emperors. He is the king of Mughal empire of Mughal dynasty, and he is one of the greatest king during the Mughal reign. So I have already discussed in class about the Mughal emperor. And Birbal is one of the ministers of Akbar, and he is one of the gem of Akbar. Gem means those who are very intelligent. Right now in modern days we have intelligence officers, but at that time the king used to have gems who used to do all the intelligent works during the reign of Mughal emperor. So there were 9 gems at that time of Akbar's time, and Birbal was one of them, and Birbal was the most wittiest person in that court. So what happened in the story? A messenger of the king of Kabul or the king of Afghanistan has sent a messenger, and the king had few questions. So the messenger of Kabul came to Akbar's court to find the answers of those questions. In the first part, we have seen that Birbal outwitted that messenger of Kabul by his intelligence. The question was, the messenger had, so the envoy had a pot in with him, and the envoy asked everyone what was there in the pot, but the envoy didn't have said that no one could see or no one could remove the cover of the pot. So Birbal find out that little gap in his question or the little trick in his question, and Birbal removed the cover and found there was nothing in the pot. In this way, Birbal outwitted that envoy from Kabul or the king, envoy of the king of Kabul, Afghanistan, by his intelligence. Then the envoy of Afghanistan become very much angry with Birbal, and he again asked 2 more questions to Birbal. The first question was, so the first question of the envoy was, how many stars are there in the sky, and where is the center of the earth? These 2 questions then the envoy asked to Birbal to find out the answers. That's why the text is named as the questions. So the first question was, how many stars are there in the sky, and the second question is, where is the center of the earth is located? So now Birbal said these 2 questions are very hard and he would take some time. The envoy said that he will remain for 10 days in Akbar's court, and then Birbal said that before the envoy leaves, he will give him the answer. So in the next lesson, we will find out that how Birbal has given the answers of these 2 questions. In this lesson, we have learned up to this. Thank you.